we talked about fixing fumbles briefly when we learned the 3-6-3 stack. I want to take some time and go over them in a little more detail right now. Remember, it's okay to fumble. It's how you fix them that matters. If a fumble happens while I'm up stacking, I have to fix that fumble before I can move on in a sequence. If I've already moved on, I must take down my stack, fix my fumble, and then I can move on in my sequence. Now again, with down stacking, the rules are a little different. Once I finish my up stacking and started my down stacking, if I knock over a cup like this, I don't have to go back and fix it. I can just down stack it any time before stopping the timer. That rule only applies once I've started my down stacking. So for example, if I've completed my up stacking and on my way back I knock over the middle cup before I started my down stacking, then I have to go back, fix my fumble before I continue on in the sequence. So here's some rules for using the stack mat. I have to have both of my hands on the timer and get the green light before I can start stacking. Now I'm allowed to use any part of my hand that I want to touch the timer. So I can use my fingers or palms or the sides of my hands. I can even slide my hands closer to the cups like this as long as I don't touch the cups. What I can't do is go further than my wrist and use any part of my wrist or arm. So for example, I'm not allowed to do this. Now the same rule applies to stopping the timer. I must use a part of my hand above my wrist. So as I'm stacking, taking it down, I cannot stop the timer with my arm or wrist. Now there's one more rule about stopping the timer that's important. I'm going to use the last part of the cycle to demonstrate. As I finish my down stacking and bring my hands over to stop the timer, although my fingers can still be touching the cups, I am not allowed to hold or appear to hold any of the cups with my hands while I'm touching the timer. Okay, that was a quick rundown of some of the most important rules in sports stacking. Check out these rules and more at the WSSA website.